Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to learn about exterior angle property of a triangle. For a triangle, exterior angles can be formed in many ways. And in a triangle, there is a relationship between an exterior angle and its two interior opposite angles. Let us find it. Here you can see one triangle. Let me mark its vertices as ABC and the angles also. These are the interior angles because they lie in the interior of the triangle ABC. Now, let me produce the side BC like this, a bit more, and let me mark the point D. Here you can see one new angle is formed. That is angle ACD. This angle lies in the exterior of triangle ABC. So it is called an exterior angle of this triangle. And it is formed at vertex C. Since there are two angles at vertex C, when you mention these angles, you have to say angle ACD for this angle and angle ACB for this angle. It is clear that angle ACB is an adjacent angle to angle ACD. The remaining angles, that is angle A and angle B, they are called the two interior opposite angles. Or the two remote interior angles of the angle ACD. Now, let me move the angle A and place it above the exterior angle like this, and angle B also. Here you can see the exterior angle equal to the sum of the angles A and B. So we can say in this triangle ABC, measure of angle ACD equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. That is, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. This is the exterior angle property of a triangle. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.